niggas be thinking they know me. They be like, how's this nigga so famous and still be remaining so low key? The way they be looking and watching and stalking me, I swear they worse than police. I do what I wanna do, like it or not, I'ma still get respect from the OGs. Sooner or later you
Guys, this is what you call a throat tickle. It'll tickle the hell out of your throat. It'll turn. Guys, this is a throat tickling gut chopper. That's impressive. You got to sit in this ride, I'm telling you. What do you call this machine?
White noise.
White noise, and it makes a lot of it. This is Nathan. He said, yeah, anybody's got Nathan, anybody with and Nolan, you got an N in the front and an N in the back, that's the best people.
That's right.
You guys take care.